First thing what you need is your Excel file ready with all the dimensions that you have. So look here, we have the different dimensions, different payloads, different speeds, and also different car sizes. And so in this example, I have two different models, model number 1 and model number 2. And this is something you need to prepare, and you need to transfer the data from your PDF file. Next, you can upload this Excel file to the DigiPara Elevator BIM template builder. And let me show you for one model how we can generate the model. We simply click on build, and what happens next is that the system automatically generates all the models. And in this case, we have 64 different models. It's from Excel line 4 to Excel line 67. And the system now generates all the models.